Hello friends, welcome to my channel MySakhi. Today we are going to make a very easy and famous recipe of mutton Rogan Josh. We think it's very difficult to cook, but actually it's very easy to cook. So let's start its recipe. Take 50 ml of oil in a pan. In the oil add 1 spoonful of cumin seeds, 4 to 5 cloves, 1 large cardamom, 2 small cardamoms, half tablespoon of asafoetida and half kilo mutton. We will fry the mutton in the oil for 5 to 7 minutes while turning it occasionally so that all the water gets burned from it. If possible, we should take mutton as soft as possible so that it becomes tender quickly. So after cooking the mutton for 5 to 7 minutes, we will now add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 4 medium spoons of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 medium spoon fennel powder, salt to taste, 1 medium spoon garam masala powder, and 1 cup of water to cook the masala. Now saute the spices on a medium to slow flame for 5 to 7 minutes while stirring occasionally so that the rawness goes away from the spices and they get cooked properly. So after cooking for 5 to 7 minutes, you can see that the spices have cooked well. Now here I have taken 200 ml curd. I have beaten the curd well here. So now we will add it to the spices. Here the curd shouldn't be too sour. Along with this, we will add 300 ml of water to cook the mutton. You can also make it in a pressure cooker. Mutton becomes soft quickly in the pressure cooker. So after adding water, mix it well quickly so that the curd doesn't curdle. And now we will cover it and let it cook on a slow flame for 50 to 60 minutes. So after cooking on a slow flame for 50 to 60 minutes, the mutton has become completely tender and all the water has also burnt. Lastly, we will add 1 spoonful of mutton masala powder. If there is still much water left in it, then you can burn the water by cooking it for some time on a high flame according to amount of gravy you want. So here our mutton Rogan Josh is ready. You must try this rich and vibrant Kashmiri recipe once. It is very easy to make, yet it's very flavorful. So if you like this recipe, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.